Nature, isn't it beautiful? Why can't it be beautiful like this everywhere, all the time? Because we are human. We make many mistakes, one after another, and another, and a little more after that. About 500 million plastic bags are found in the ocean every year. At least 100,000 sea creatures die due to human needs. We aren't just killing them, we're killing ourselves too. Pollution causes millions of humans to be subjected to diseases like ... chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, heart disease, and even damage to the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. Now think, do you really want to lose ... all of this? Question mark?
Stay clean and keep the world going. And if not, that wouldn't be very cash money of you.